Welcome to Learning Easier. Today we are going to do two-digit number multiplication. Multiplication chart. Multiplication chart will help to memorize the multiplication tables from 2 to 10 easily. 4 times 1 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. 4 times 3 equals 12. 4 times 4 equals 16. 4 times 5 equals 20, and so on. Memorizing the multiplication tables will help you do multiplication easily. Multiplication 2-digit by 2-digit. First we do 5 times 2, which is 10, so we put the 0 in the ones place and 1 in the tens place. 5 times 4, which is 20. 20 plus 1 equals 21. Then step 2. 3 times 2, which is 6. We put the 6 in the tens place because the 3 here is in the tens place too. We also put a 0 in the ones place to avoid confusion. 3 times 4 is 12. Step 3. Then we add the partial products. So 0 plus 0 equals 0. 1 plus 6 equals 7. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 0 plus 1 equals 1. Problem for two-digit number multiplication. Try these problems. Answers for two-digit number multiplication. Check if the answers for the problem are correct. Thanks for watching. Write your comments in the comment box. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell button.